Hello everyone, I don't know if you could see that, but I just came from the fridge. Today we have Prause. Prause is back again. I hope that you loved my frozen rosé recipe. Did you watch last month's drinks tips? Holy shit. How am I supposed to compare with people coming out of fridges and ovens? Sorry. But anyway, I'm Prause. Welcome back to Drinks Tips Volume 4. As always, this is a YouTube collaboration with Chef Adventures, Just Ate, Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff, Cook Classy, LAGOM Eats, Chef GEOFF, and Jamie Mac. Make sure you follow their channels for some great video tips. So for today's drink, I'm going to be drawing inspiration from my absolute favorite bubble tea. It is a honeydew flavored cocktail with black tapioca pearls. You can get them from Asian supermarkets. All you need to do is follow the instructions on the back of the packet. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna need. Some honeydew melon. We're not gonna need all that, but I cut it all because then you can have a little snack. Some honey. Add hot water to it and just stir it up so it becomes more of a liquid form. The brown sugar is really good because it mixes really well with the honey and the honeydew. And you're gonna need tapioca pearls. Also your trusty vodka, any type you like, but Smirnoff, sponsor me. Any glass will do, but it needs to fit a really wide straw so the tapioca pearls actually come up the straw and you get to taste all the yummy gooiness. Let's just get stuck right into making the drink. We're about half full here in the blender with ice. And then we want to pour your honey mixture in. Pour your sugar syrup in. You want to do about 1 cup. We'll go a bit more. So do 2 cups of honeydew melon. My 1 cup's being used at the moment, so. And 3 shots of vodka. And then you blend. Once you've blended up the goodness, you want to add your pearls. And there you have it guys, a bubble tea inspired cocktail. That must be Chef Blake home.
Honey, I'm home. What's going on here?
Doing drinks tips without you.
Oh, what have you made?
A honeydew bubble tea cocktail.
That's yum. What? Well, Prause, it looks like you've gotten yourself this far. I guess you can just close out the video.
Thanks very much guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.